Hello friends, let us discuss about PVC panels in this video. What is PVC? The long form of PVC is polyvinyl chloride. It is widely used as a plastic. Globally, more than 50% of all PVC manufactured is used in construction. PVC is replacing traditional building materials such as wood, concrete and clay. PVC panels usually have a hollow core and are lightweight with a smooth surface for decoration and a tongue and groove arrangement for easy installation. PVC is a low-cost material that has replaced wood in many interior-related items. PVC cladding was developed in Europe in 1970s. It was quite a unique and smooth surface finish available compared to other wall coverings at that time. Advantages of using PVC panels. Easy and fast to install. PVC panels are very user-friendly products. The panels can easily be cut to size and are ideal DIY solution. Compared to tiles, they take about half the time to install. PVC panels are so easy to install and they save money on fitter too. The sheets can be interlocked, which makes the process of fixing fast. It also helps to replace a single panel whenever it gets damaged. You can also use these panels for false sealing. PVC panels can be cut using a manual saw or sharp knife. The panels can be glued to smooth surfaces such as plaster or plasterboard or even to existing tiles with the help of adhesives. With rough, uneven walls, the panels can be fixed to a framework using nails, staples or adhesive. Moisture resistant. When there is dampness in the wall, PVC wall panels are most useful as it can resist moisture very effectively. The absence of pores contributes to the fact that bacteria and mold can't survive on the surface of the wall. That's why the material is often used in bathrooms and kitchens. Budget friendly. PVC panels can be installed much faster than tiles. You can save on installation costs. As compared to wallpapers, paints, tiles and wood, it is budget friendly and definitely suits anybody's pocket. PVC panels have lot of varieties like leather fox panels, 3D wall stickers, UV marble sheets and many more. These are lightweight panels that are easily available in the market at an affordable rate. Fire resistant. The ignition temperature of PVC panels is 370 degrees Celsius, so they don't burn easily. Whereas the ignition temperature of fiberboard and particleboard is 250 degrees Celsius. Also, in case of fire, PVC panels emit 50% less smoke as compared to wood, and also the byproducts formed from combustion are less toxic in nature. Lightweight. PVC panels are lightweight panels, so they are easy to transport and the installation process is faster. Durable. PVC wall panels comes with lifetime warranty with approximate 20 plus years of life. Moreover, the wear and tear ratio is 0. No wastage. There is no wastage after the installation of PVC wall panels as it comes in different sizes. Low maintenance. PVC panels have a polyurethane layer which gives a smooth and plain surface to the board, so it becomes easy to clean such boards. There is no need to use chlorinates or abrasive agents. You can just use a wet cloth to clean it. Insulating. The PVC wall panels are good for insulation. The PVC panels have an insulating value of R2.25, that is 0.16 watt per meter Kelvin, which is comparable to the insulating value of normal brick. Recyclable. PVC wall and ceiling panels are 100% recyclable and one can hand over old one to a plastic recycling facility. Also, you can uninstall and reinstall these panels at other place. When you uninstall PVC panels, it does not hamper wall or ceiling surface, so you don't have to worry about paint. No further finishing required after installation. The PVC panels are finished surface panels. They need no extra finishing like painting or polishing etc. Pre-finishing is also not required. No rusting. PVC panels don't rust when used in external surfaces of the house. Environment friendly. PVC panels are environment friendly and many medical equipment and food packages are also made of PVC material because they cause no harm to the environment. Thus, such material is useful in hospitals, sports arenas and schools. Versatile product. PVC panels are ideal for cladding walls and ceilings of private houses, offices, hotels, laboratories, hospitals, food processing plants, etc. The PVC panels are available in many colors, designs and shapes, so it offers many options for a designer to create a decorative wall surface. Generally, you need to paint your wall after every 4 to 5 years. This problem can also be solved with the help of these PVC panels. Disadvantages of using PVC panels. These are final finished panels. One need to take precaution that it doesn't get hit by a sharp object that can cause scratches on it, as it will be difficult to remove or hide or treat such scratches. Nailing or screwing such boards can be tricky sometimes. If the screw goes wrong, the same hole cannot be used to screw the board. Friends, I had made a full video about PVC panels, but due to some software problem, I have to split this video into 2 parts. The next part hopefully I will be uploading tomorrow. So friends, in this video we have learnt what is PVC, what are its advantages and what are its disadvantages. The remaining information I will cover in next video. So like this video if you learned something, and be sure to share it with someone who might benefit from it. You can share your thoughts and experiences on PVC wall panels in comment section. Subscribe to Engineering Motive for more such videos and turn on that notification bell so that you won't miss the new video. Finally, thanks for watching.